So this is the last notes, and anyway, because I don't have any notes now, just I'm showing this. So where I stopped it, the last class I given some assignment, right? How many of you executed at least one program? Raise your hands. So how many of you facing problems still? Raise your hands. So how many of you are using Oracle 21? Raise your hands. Among Oracle 21, how many of you executed at least one program? Very good. How many of you are using 19? How many of you executed at least one program? Right, okay. So who is facing problem with Oracle 21? Raise your hands. Only one person. Right. Yesterday I planned this assignment actually. Yesterday, this user REG45, right? How many of you done this assignment? Anybody? Right, very good. Yesterday I forgot to inform you generally. Today morning 11 o'clock I conducted one workshop and generally. So this is the ad actually. Today morning I conducted this 17 features, Java 17. Who are interested, tomorrow you can join by 10 o'clock, continues. Java 17 features. All are working. Market is still updating with 8, but unknown fact is 8 support has been removed from Oracle Corporation from 2019. So next coming web application development product is 17. So I started revealing the features available from 17. You can join if you are free by tomorrow by 10 o'clock. Okay, right. Records and sealed classes. If possible, I'll post the link there. Okay, right. Now for today's class, we had, let me write one solution to it. What has been happened anyway. This is, let me write in 15 minutes, this one. User REG45 based on register and login. Anyway, let me code this. First, you have to create one table. I asked you to create one table. Today's date is 7/5. DB table, nothing but user REG 45. So create table. Table name is user REG 45, where uname is equal to varchar2 of 15, where password is equal to nothing but varchar 2 of 15. I had first name varchar2 of 15, last name var_2 of 15. So var_2, var_2, next address addr var_2 of 15. Next mail id var_2 of almost 25. You have to take it. Next phone number, where number of you take 15 biggest number, and primary key of uname comma password. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 is point. Uname, password, first name, last name, address, mail id, phone number, and so on. Connect. Why is system and manager. So we have to load this. This is table. So table created. I must go with the Java program, right? Then the program I am taking, one program I am taking. I'll open Eclipse. Right. So hope I written 4 programs, I think, up to now. Project, JDBC, application 5, I think. Correct only? Application 5. Right. So add the jar file always. So build path, configure build path, add external jar, go for desktop, DB, and add it. So under this SRC, new and package, dbconf5. dbcon5 right. So here I am typing, observe it, import java.util I must use try, no, try and catch exception e dot print stack trace scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in. So you can use while loop also, we can repeat it whenever you want to add something, you can repeat it, and you can repeatedly you can see, no problem. I am writing one while loop for repetition, core Java logic. See there, I am using one while loop, I am using one true. So end of loop. So here I am using the choice system dot out dot println choice. So here two choices I asked you to keep it. I'll close this and I'll come back. So system dot out dot println here one for register, two for login indirectly. So more than one person can register if you want it. 3. So exit. Just I'm introducing one loop, that's all. It's not mandatory there, but I'm writing one logic. So system dot out dot println enter the choice. Enter the choice. Now int choice is equal to integer dot parseInt. How many of you know integer dot parseInt? Raise your hands. Right. What is integer dot parseInt? Right. Sir, reading in the form of string and converting into integer. Sir, why we have to do like this? The reason, from console input, after reading numeric data, if you read string data, the data will be skipped. To overcome that, we take the support of parse method. So what is the advantage of these methods is, we read in the form of string only, but using parse method, we convert into numeric. Like this, there are 6 parse methods we had. Now switch off choice. End of switch. Here case 1 and break. Case 2 break. Here case 3 also there, but it is exit. System dot out dot println program terminated. So we are terminating the program. How can we terminate the program in Java? System dot exit of 0. Very good. So anyway, there is a choice of invalid also. We go with default. Default. So system dot out dot println, we had invalid choice. Now here, two options are there, case 1 and case 2. Anyway, case 1 is for registration, case 2 is for login. Whenever you want to register it, you have to read the data from the keyboard. So whenever I want to register it, I want a query structure. For this query structure here, outside the loop, because I don't want to repeat that, right? Outside the loop, I am having one database connection. One database connection. Only once the connection should be established. So here I had a database connection. Only once the connection should be established. And I am preparing a statement now. Prepared statement PS1 is equal to why PS1? Two prepared statements, one for login, one for register. So here con dot prepare, spelling wrong, con dot prepare statement. Spelling correct only, prepared statement. Okay. One minute. P capital only, no? Okay. Here dot star. Spelling problem not there. Okay, right. Now here I must do the insert operation now. Insert into user reg 45 values. How many values now? 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now same way, prepared statement PS2 is equal to con dot prepared statement. Here, based on the username and password, select star from user reg 45 where uname is equal to and password is equal to. Based on username and password, you're going to all of understood these two query structures, right? Okay. Here parameter indexes 7 is there, here 2 is there. Anyway, now whenever I selected case 1 means read it. Now system dot out dot println, enter the username. String username is equal to s dot Next line. Enter the password. Here, P word. First name. Here, last name. Here, last name. Here, address. Address. Here, ADDR. Next comes your mail ID. Mail ID. Here, MID. Here comes your phone number. Long phone number. Same here. Long dot parse long s dot next line. After reading the data from the console, we have to set the data now. ps1 dot set string of parameter index 1, that is username. Parameter index 2. Here, password. Here, parameter index 3. Here, first name. Here, last name. Parameter index 4. This is 5. Mail ID, sorry, address. Here, mail ID. Here, 6. So this is not a set string. This is ps1 dot set long. Here, 7. He had ph number. Now, after setting the values, we have to execute it. Int k is equal to ps1 dot execute update. If that k is greater than 0, you can say user registered successfully. Dot out dot println user registered success. That is for case 1 anyway. So case 2, read username and password, because we want username and password for case 2. Because based on username password, you must do no, right? So here username, just parameter different variable. Now we have to set the value now. ps2 dot set string 1, that is you name. See there, how many of you done this login process? How many of you done this login process? Here 2 parameter indexes. This is 1 and this is 2. Parameter index 1, parameter index 2. Here uname, here password. Parameter index 2 down. Here. ps2 dot set string of 2 password. Now here it is a select query. Yes or no? Select query means result set will be there. So result set. Now result set RS is equal to PS2 dot execute query. Now, how many records are available on result set now? How many records are available? Only one record is available. I asked you to display what kind of output here. Login successful and welcome user. The first name should be displayed. Display the first name. First, I must know if RS dot next. The diagram is then a result set diagram. In the result set diagram, how many records means only one record. Based on username and password, only one record will be there. If it is true, logged in successful. Else, invalid login process. System dot out dot println invalid login process. So if it is a valid login process anyway, system dot out dot here login successful. Well, we have to display the first name. So the first name is available in column number 3. So for this, system dot out dot println here welcome user first name. Where is the first name? RS dot get string from column number 3. How many of you got this idea? Anybody got this idea? Right, that is available on column number 3. So welcome and column number 3. In column number 3, first name is available. Then you can come with S dot close. Why means here it is running internally, no, it is not supporting S dot close. Right, look here. Let me run it, whether it is working or not. So which one you want it now? Sir, I want to register it. Enter the username now. NIT.MJDU672. First name is Sambankat. Last name is M. Address is Sarnagar. Mail ID b@gmail.com. Phone number 9898981234. User registered successfully. Choice is repeating now. Observe this now. Right. I'll go with the login process. If it is a login process, enter your username and password. Login successful. Welcome user Venkat. I want to go for second registration now. Go with username is some Raj. Password also Raj only. First name also Raj only. He is some Kumar from SR Nagar. And mail ID is r@gmail.com. And phone number is 7676761234. And user registered successfully login. Here I'll go with Raj and Raj. So welcome user Raj. So 3 exit. Program terminated. All of you got it right. This is core Java programming. Okay, right. With the 2 JDBC statements. Now let me cross check in database. Now select star from user reg 45. Two registrations happened, no? Right. All of you understood this? Right. Instead of writing one plain program, I took one loop, right? Here one information is there for you. See there. The information is, sir, here. Here compilation process is only once. You are repeating the loop internally, no? Right. When you are repeating the loop and the execution is happening. Two times I executed your registration query. Two times I executed your login query, but compilation done only once. That is a major advantage of your prepared statement. Major advantage. Okay, right. So this is the program we had. See there, I'll show the code. First loading one connection here. I want to do two operations. One is insert, one is select. I took two different prepared statements I took. So each question mark represents one index. So how many values needed here means 7 for registration, 7 parameter indexes. To run this query, I wanted two values. For that, I took two parameter indexes that you have to be careful here. Remaining all, enter the choice. Based on the choice case, not only a core Java training generally, this kind of structured training is core. Using switch cases, selecting class, repeating, controlling, that all practice from core Javas generally. So core Java is, I said no, some part enough. Here nothing is there, no constructor, no exception handling, no multi-threading, some part. Basic part. One repetition is there, one switch case is there, one control structure, one iterative statement, remaining all methods. So for this, core Java 20% knowledge enough. Sir, this also I am not understanding, sir. I completed my core Java means you are in the danger threat. Right. Sir, I completed my core Java. I am going for placement, sir. But still I am not understanding. You are in the danger threat. Nobody can escape. Without knowledge, you cannot. Maybe you'll get a placement somewhere, but you have to survive it, no. It is not a one-day journey, no, 30 years journey, no. 30 years daily, you cannot wake up with tension, no, without subject. Not possible. Sir, going to office 8 lakhs, 10 lakhs coming, sir, but tension is coming, sir. See, you can ask many software engineers. Their package will be very high, but they'll be in tension. Subject not there means tension only. So catch the subject, remaining all will come. Right. So finally, two queries are pending. One is update query, one is delete. Let me finish off that. dbconf5.java. Okay, this I must delete it. So this notes is old notes, right? Yesterday only I not carried a laptop. Yesterday only problem came. That they wasted my schedule actually. Right. So finally, how many tables are there for me? Let me cross check. So I had product, I think. Select star from product 45. Right, product is there anyway. See there, I'll do some operations on this product. The operation is, I'll do update operation, right? I want to update price and quantity. So product price has been changed, right? And we are maintaining one product store. So among mouses, 10 mouses came, example. So 12 plus 10, it should become 22, right? And the price 1200 incremented to some 1300. So let us update this price and quantity based on the product code. That's a query, right? Okay, let me write it. So example example application JDBC application to update JDBC application to update product price and quantity based on product code, based on P code. JDBC application to update product price and quantity based on P code, based on P code. So we have to read the product code from the console. We have to read that product code from the console. And you have to cross check that product code is available or not. You have to cross check. If the product code is available, let us go for updation. If product code not available, let us say invalid product code. Right? Okay. That's the work I'm going to do anyway. JDBC application 6. New and package test. DB con 6. I had it. So import java.sql anyway. So import java.util. So I am taking try catch I am taking. E dot print stack trace scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system dot in anyway. Here s dot close. Loop is not there, no, it will work it. So system dot out dot println enter the product code. So read that product code. We taken product code as string anyway. P code is equal to s dot next line. You have to cross check that product code is available or not. So for this, run the query, make a database connection like this. This two line is common. Here I am taking two prepared statements. PS1. Sir, why two prepared statement? First to check the product code is available or not. Second one to update it. PS1 con dot prepare statement. Here we have to use select query only. Select star from product 45 where P code is equal to. So I am retrieving the product based on the P code. If the record is available, product code is correct. If record not available, product code is not available. So I'm running a select query there. One more prepared statement, PS2 anyway, con dot prepare statement. So here, update, right? Update query now. Update product 45 set P price is equal to and P quantity is equal to, I'm replacing or not now here. Now the P quantity must be added to the existing quantity. Here replacement. Old price replaced with new price. But here existing quantity must be added with new quantity. Suppose 10 mouses are there. For our store, still more 10 came. You entered 10. So already 10 plus 10, 20 must be updated. For this, we write here already P quantity plus, we write it. So hope I am taking correct names only. P price, P quantity, P code. Right. Based on what now? Right. Update product 45, set P price, P quantity, where P code is equal to, this is the query. This is the query or not now? So how many parameter indexes are there? 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. You have to count it in the order now. 1, 2, 3. Now start the logic. How? First we have to execute this. For this, you write PS1 dot set string of P code. You have to set the P code and run it. Result set RS is equal to PS1 dot execute query. See there. Now, whatever the P code I read here, I am setting the P code to here and I am executing. Suppose I entered A111, I entered. What is the query now? Select star from product 45 where P code is equal to A111. If it is A111, already available now, right? So the first record will come and sit on to the result set. It's a concept. Now the record is available or not now here. RS dot next. If record is available, our product code is correct. Else product code is not available. All of you understood this logic? Say yes or no to me, right? So this logic. So P code I am executing this. The query the record available on the result set. RS dot next true means record available. If not available. In the else block, what you must write now? Invalid product code. In the else block, system dot out dot print ln invalid product code. You must write. Sorry, if it is a valid product code, it is a valid product code, then you have to read new price and new quantity. So here system dot out dot print ln, I am displaying old price I am displaying rs dot get float from column number rs dot get float from column number 3, I think column number 3. So old price, you are displaying the old price Then you are asking for the new price. System dot out dot print ln. Enter the new price. Enter the new price. I am showing the old price. I am asking to enter the new price. How I am showing the old price now? Already record available in the result set, no? Right. From there, rs dot get float of 3. Old price is displayed here. I am reading new price. So whenever I am reading a new price here, float price, new price anyway. New price is equal to float. S dot next float reading. So new price came now, right? Show the available quantity, you show it. Show that available quantity, you show it, and come with the new quantity. Means you are going to add how much quantity again. So show it. So system dot out dot print ln. Print ln. So available quantity. Available quantity. What is the available quantity now? Sir, rs dot get int from column number 4. Now enter. System dot out dot print ln. So enter the new quantity to be added. Enter the new quantity. Enter the new quantity. Now int new quantity is equal to s dot next int. You are showing the old values and you are asking the new values. So here new price came, new quantity. Now run this query. You can run this query. Set price there, set quantity here, set code here, and run it. Now here ps2 dot set float, because I am setting a price. Set float. ps2 dot set float. Parameter index 1, that is new price. New price. Now ps2 dot set int. Set int, that is parameter index 2, that is new quantity. Now ps2 dot set string, that is p code, that is 3. All of you understood these 3 lines, right? First one is where is that? 3 columns are there, no? 3 parameter indexes. One for price, one for quantity, one for quantity. Now we are running the query. It is update, no? Update means execute update method now. Int k is equal to ps2 dot execute update. Hope it is updated. If k is greater than 0, now you can say system dot out dot print ln product details updated. Product details updated. Now this is the old status we had. Let us update this first one. Okay, right. I am running the program now. Right. Enter the product code A111. Why driver not found? Sir, I not added jar in the path. Right. Let me run once again. Right. So enter the product code A111. Old price 1200. Enter the new price. So 1300. Old quantity ended. Enter new quantity. Product details updated. Go and cross check and rerun that. You can see the updation. Understood or not now? You are updating the price and quantity. It's called update. Hope you understood update query. Right. So program dbcon 6.java. See the program once again. If you enter wrong product code, it will come out. I am entering one product code as A876. If it is not there, invalid product code. If you want to repeat it, you can repeat it while loop. So not needed, because in servlet programming we had more easy to repeat it. Okay, right. Now see the logic here. Anyway, sir, we are trying to update price and quantity here. Now read the product code. Have a connection. Two prepared statements are available. One, select query based on the product code. Why means if I run this query based on the product code, if record is retrieved, indicates that product code is available. So if the record is retrieved, the old price and old quantity you can have in your program. So based on that, we are going to do here update table name set. How many fields you want to update? That many you can take it. The format you can take it. Your Oracle trainer will give different forms on it, many forms based on the product code. Now, first I must run this query by setting a product code. So ps1 dot set string. So ps1 means prepared statement 1. I am setting a string by 1 p code. Now execute the query. The record is available on the result set. If record available, automatically display the old price, get the new price, display the old quantity, get the new quantity, set that new price and new quantity to your prepared statement 2 and run it. It's a theory. Understood? Right. Now let me delete one product here. Delete query. Nothing is there. Here delete also same process. First you have to cross check the product code is available or not. Then only you must perform delete. The same above program we can modify and come. Right. Okay. See that. This program you can modify. JDBC. Okay. Project and select new here. JDBC application 7. Again jar file, build a path, configure, add external jar, apply and close. Take one package, test. Take one DB-Con-7. System. See there, I'm modifying and coming now. Delete query. So you had select query, insert query, update query, now delete. Same process. Now here, instead of update, this is delete. What is the delete query now? Sir, delete from product 45 where P code is equal to. So delete from, if you don't write this, all will be deleted. Right. Okay, right. Delete from product 45 where P code. Remaining all same here. So here, old price, new price not needed. Right. Not needed. See there, PS1 dot set string of P code, PS1 dot execute query. If it is RS dot next, here run the query. How now? PS2 dot set string parameter index 1, that is P code, and write here int k is equal to PS2 dot execute update. That's all. Only 2 lines code here. Then product details deleted. You can understand the program a bit easily if you observe it. No. So product code now A111, the mouse will be deleted. So here the mouse deleted. A111 not there, no? Right. Total recorded edited. So 4 queries are given to you. One is select, one is insert, one is update, one is delete. Create we are not doing and don't do. Create you don't do. Using program don't try it. That query we do in the last one training will give. Until then you don't do that to create. Generally in the real time also for you, auto generation of tables will come. WARMs. WARMs, if you give the fields, they only will create it. Manual creation of table not available through program in real time. If you run the create table also it will come, but I will run it and show it, you don't run it. Okay, right. Just to practice only select, insert, update and delete. One doubt should come here. Sir, you are not performing any commit operation here. Through Java program, I am not writing any commit operation. Whenever we do some insert operation or delete operation or update operation through SQL command line, commit operation is mandatory. Through Java program, we are not doing any commit operation. Why, sir? Means Java programs will do auto commit operation. They only will do automatically commit operation. No need to write any commit method or any action we must not to perform. So theory. Now DB-Con-6. This is update. Okay. So second, this last example we had application. JDBC application to delete product based on product code. Here program DB-Con7.java. Right. So now take one assignment now. So already I given assignment on book details. Yes or no? That right? Same book details only, but you must do complete. Complete means what? 4 operations you must do. One is insert, retrieve, update, and delete. That also in the repeated mode. While loop you have to write it and you have to repeat it. So complete program you must write it. Okay. JDBC application. JDBC application to perform the following operations. JDBC application to perform following operations on book 45 table, book 45 based on user choice, based on user choice. How many choices means? 1. Add book. 2. View all books. View book by book code. View book by book code. So 2 options. View all books means all should be displayed. Here only one record should be displayed. Update book by book code. So you have to update price and quantity. You're going to update price and quantity. Same like above program, price and quantity. Delete book by book code. Delete book by book code. Right. Right. Choice is repeated until terminated. Means use a while loop and repeat it. So choice is repeated. Here in bracket, choice is repeated until user terminates. User terminates means exit until the user terminates. All of you understood the question first, right? Lengthy question only, single table. Keep the table empty. So drop all the records from the table and do the complete work. So one program with complete by your own, right? Check your status if you can do it or not. Check your own status, right? No, sir, I am waiting for my friend to copy means copy it. No, sir, you give the solution means I'll give it. Since remaining all that only know, your graduation study, that only know. Somebody will give the solution, we'll copy it. So that is not possible for the real-time market, try it. So up to what extent you can move by your own. Somewhere the challenge you have to face it. Always you cannot copy it now. Right. So how up to what extent you can do it, try it out. Above source is there. It is not a new program. Above already demo program. All software engineers also, they'll cut and paste only. They'll search in the Google searches. They'll take one demo codes. They'll refer one material. They'll copy it. But even then you must understand it, no? To understand that subject is needed, no? I am not asking not to see it and do. Copy and paste. But when you're copying, pasting, you must know what it is now first. So at least that point you have to do. So above some demo programs are there. Take the source of the demo program and whether you are able to construct it or not, try it. So find yourself how much you have been moved, right? So remaining solutions I'll provide. See there, I don't know how many are there. Complete notes not available here, right? uh, Maybe student related question, anything given? No. Basic salary given somewhere, basic salary calculation given. I'll do with callable, right? Today's notes is actually callable today. Today my schedule is callable actually. This all code is yesterday's programs actually, and today's schedule is callable. So we missed one schedule. So we are starting callable on Monday. Okay, right. Solution I will to provide on next Saturday. I will not give the solution this on by immediately on Monday. Again, I'll write the solution on Saturday only. Okay, right. So Monday should already one day wasted for us. So the next one is callable. So Monday I'm coming with callable at any cost. I'll bring my laptop and I'll connect it. 7, 8, 9. Nah, 5. 5. Star mark IMP. Generally, students will be weaker in this part because callable deals about procedures and functions, PLSQL. So you must be bit careful. First 3 days we are working on procedures and functions with a Java program, PLSQL. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right? Okay. Can we take a break for today? Right. Okay. So thank you very much for today. Take a break.